Dude here, and today we're going to be talking about subtracting sign numbers. When do we subtract them? Okay, again, it's easier if we use money than any other thing because everybody understands money, especially if you don't have any. Okay, so we're subtracting. I have $5 and I take away 4 of them. Well, now I'm left with only 1. That's not difficult. You've been learning this ever since you were little, right? You have the 5 candies and you take away 4. Well, what happens if I have 5 take away a negative 4? What does that even mean? Well, look at the negative as well. Negative. So if something's negative, it's usually bad. And if you want to take away a negative, you're usually making it positive, right? When you had a little bump on your arm or a scratch, that was a negative. When your family comes to help you out, they take it away by putting on some medicine, that's a positive. So whenever you're taking away a negative, that's the same thing as making it positive. So that comes out to 9. Another way of looking at it is I have $5 in my pocket, and this negative 4 means I'm owing this $4 to somebody. So I have $4 that I am going to give to somebody that I owe. So I go up to him and I say, hey, here's the $4 I owe. And he decides, you don't have to pay me anymore. I decided I gave you the money. Well, that's exciting because owing the $4 is a negative, and now he's taking it away. He's saying, you don't owe me anything. I'm taking that all away. You don't owe me anything. Let's rip up the papers. You get the money back. Now you put the $4 back in your pocket. You have 9. The other thing is, what happens if I have negative 5 minus 4? Well, what does this mean? This means you already owe money. And now we're going to take away more money from you. So just say you owe money on your credit card, because a lot of people don't. And now you want to buy something more. Well, when you give the card away, when you slap the card, they're taking more money. So now you're going even bigger into debt. So you already owe 5 and you're spending $4 more to the 5 you already owe. That means you're borrowing more money. And that comes out to 9. So you're taking away $9. If you don't like that method, you can say it's negative 5 and I'm adding a negative 4. I'm adding this negative because somewhere you're taking away $4. So it's the same as adding a negative. And that's still negative 9. And the last case is you have negative 5, so you owe $5. And I'm taking away the penalty. You're taking away a negative. Well, remember, anytime you take away a negative, that's positive. So this is the same thing as negative 5 and a positive 4. And I discussed this before in the adding video of sign numbers. All this becomes is negative 1. So that is how you do subtraction of sign numbers. Another way to just look, anytime you see 2 negatives in a row, just make it positive. Here's 2 negatives in a row, make it positive. This is not in a row, there's a 5 in between. When you see in a row, make it a positive and follow the rules of addition. Okay? Well, this has been Radical Dude, and I hope I was able to teach you something. Thank you.